What's going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a super blessed day. We have some more sneakers to talk about today. We're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. Now, it's very rare that a green shoe comes out that is very nice, and by green I mean like this is the perfect color green. This is the type of green that I like, not too vibrant, not too out there, not too dull. Like, this is just like the best representation of green in my eyes. When I look at it, this box is very dope. I like the Air Jordan 3, the new style boxes where they have a portion. You got about 15% of the box covered in this cement print going all around the box, which is very dope. And then the predominant colorway or color of the sneaker is on here. We saw these on the cool grays and many other ones. So yeah, shouts out to them. They're doing more with the box, I guess, but I have some gripes about this shoe. All right, guys, so here we have it, the box in all its glory. Like I said, pretty nice box here. Size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, pine green, silver, white. It also has some hint of gold there, retailing for $190. These released October 30th. And let's open up this bad boy right here. You have your paper inside with the print on it, and the way that this shoe was packaged, a lot of people are gonna think that the quality just come down on the Jordans, but the way that this was packaged is just, you guys can already see like the shoes kind of look worn and ashy, but that's because when they're shipping them, you have the tongue. So this is the one thing about this shoe that I don't like, the shipping. When they shipped them out inside of the box, you guys saw there that it didn't have any paper in between. Now, this nubuck material, I don't know if it's too cheap or what, but the shoes are packaged like this on the box. So the tongue rubs up against the toe box, and then the tongue gets black around as well. You guys can see here. You can see the black on the toe box there. So that's due to shipping, so don't think that you got a B grade. Don't think that your shoes are like that. I've seen a bunch of pairs already come with the ashiness. Usually right here, the black tongue and the toe box. Happened to this pair, happened to many other pairs, even GSIs. So they should have put a paper in between there to prevent that. But anyways, let's move on to the sneaker. So right here you have this beautiful Air Jordan 3 Jumpman Air on the heel badge there, and you have your beautiful elephant print right there. It's kind of in the grayish, it's not black. So you have your gray elephant print. Like I said, this like nubuck material right here, all in black, kind of giving it the ashy vibes, even in the toe box. You could probably wipe this down or spray it with some suede like moisturizer and that'll be gone. So it's not a huge deal, but that just goes to show you that your shoes aren't even protected in the boxes that they come in. So that's why we buy some of these. The medial side of the sneaker, nothing much going on here. You have your pine green right there on the midsole, sexy green, my favorite type of green. Then you have the white midsole coming up around the toe box, gray stars on the bottom. The outsole, you have your classic Air Jordan 3 outsole, Jordan spelled out in green. Then you have your pine green at the front of the toe. And yeah, man, you guys let me know, man. This tongue right here is fire. I actually like the gold embroidery around the Jumpman. It really gives it a nice contrast and it just makes it look dope. The little rings right here for the lace holders are green as well. And at the top right here, you guys let me know, man. This release was kind of disappointing because of the quality control really wasn't there, or should I say the shipping and handling wasn't really taken care of properly the way it should have been, because some of these shoes are really bad. Like, they have the tongue literally all black, and it's just not something good to see, you know, because we spend so much money on these shoes and most people pay resale. So it's kind of hard, man, dumping all these cash into these shoes and they're coming out with these flaws out of the factory. All right, guys, so with all that being said, what do you guys rate this sneaker? I'm going to be giving it an 8 out of 10. I like the colorway, the shoe, the Air Jordan 3. I'm not the biggest fan, but it's not the worst. I definitely put these in my top 5 silhouettes of all time for sure. And yeah, you guys let me know what you guys thought of this sneaker in the comment section down below. And if you made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. See you guys on the next one.